Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. It's now September, and as you guys all know, I like to talk about winterizing your RV in September. So let's talk about the Camco water pump converter kit. So you can actually use this bypass kit to introduce antifreeze into your RV's plumbing system once you have it installed. What you do is you would actually remove the main line onto your water pump that's coming from your freshwater tank, and then you'd hook the main line up from the water tank to here, and this plastic fitting here you would hook up on one side to the water pump, the other side to this T-valve, bypass valve. You take this cap off right here, and then you put it on, and then you put the end of this hose inside a gallon of antifreeze, and then you go over with your water pump on and run your kitchen sink or your bathroom sink, your toilet, your shower, your exterior shower, as if you were using it. And as long as there's antifreeze in the gallon of antifreeze, which you probably need 2 to 3 gallons depending on your RV, it will pump it just as if it's pumping water from your freshwater tank. Now, once you have antifreeze in all of your lines on the hot side and the cold side, you're gonna wanna come back here after you've turned off your water pump. Make sure you close off this bypass valve. You would remove the plastic hose, and they give you this cap for a reason, because if this bypass valve ever failed, the water would come shooting out of here and flood your RV. Now, you want to make sure you use thread tape on any brass to plastic that you do. So when installing this, you would use thread tape here, here, and here. So thread tape is pretty affordable. You can get it at just about any hardware store. But that's the Camco RV pump converter kit to winterize your RV, travel trailer, or camper. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or are interested in buying it, you can comment below, and I'll also provide a link where you can get it at a great value. Until next time, safe travels. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.